Deep in the forest, a busy little anthill was home to a hard-working colony.
Every morning, 3 little ants set out together to collect food for their colony. There was Rocky, strong and proud, always carrying the heaviest stones. "Nothing's too heavy for me."
There was Cherry, cheerful and quick, always finding the sweetest fruit. "Found the juiciest one today!"
And there was little Peanut, the youngest, still learning, always trying her best.
"I'll try to carry a big one today, too."
Together, the 3 friends set off down the forest path, ready for another day of hard work.
Rocky found a heavy stone by the riverbank and lifted it proudly onto his back.
Cherry spotted a bright red cherry hanging from a low branch and plucked it carefully with her jaws. Peanut found a giant peanut nearly twice her size, and with great effort began to drag it along.
Rocky and Cherry looked back and smiled, proud of how hard their little friend was trying.
"Look at her go! She's getting stronger every day." One by one, they collected their treasures, each carrying their own heavy load down the long path home.
Together, the 3 friends hurried forward down the forest path, each carrying their own treasure, moving quickly toward another day of hard work.
The sun was warm, the path was long, but their spirits stayed high.
But suddenly, dark clouds rolled in from the horizon, and the wind began to pick up. Heavy rain began to pour, turning the dirt path into slippery mud. Rocky pushed forward carefully with his heavy stone, but the mud made every step harder. Cherry hurried along too, trying to keep her cherry from slipping in the wet ground.
But little Peanut, exhausted and small, suddenly slipped in the mud, her peanut rolling away from her.
"Help! I can't carry this by myself!"
She tried again and again, but the peanut was simply too heavy, and the rain too strong.
Rocky and Cherry heard her cry for help and turned back immediately, without a second thought. "We're coming, Peanut!"
Rocky set down his own stone for a moment. Together with Cherry, they lifted Peanut's peanut. They used all their strength.
Then, working together, they carried all 3 treasures, the rock, the cherry, and the peanut, one by one toward home.
Step by step, through the mud and the rain, the 3 little ants pushed forward. Together, they were stronger than the storm.
At last, they reached their cozy anthill, safe and dry, with all their food finally home. Safe and dry inside, they smiled at each other.
Thank you both. I couldn't have done it alone.
Alone we carry less to carry anything.